my name is Akasha, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my vision board, which I haven't even made yet. I'm going to make it right now in front of you guys. This can kind of be like a little make a vision board with me. You guys can try to make one at the same time, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm doing this. So I'm going to use Pinterest and Canva. I've used Canva before for my YouTube thumbnails and media kit and random things like that. Canva is pretty good, and I've used it for presentations before too. So if you've never heard of Canva, it's really user-friendly. Canva.com, not sponsored at all. I just really like their website. And Pinterest, I literally recently got into when I wanted to make a vision board. I know this is like really late too because I've just been busy. Yeah, so it kind of gets hard to find a time to really sit down and film a video. By the way, if my hair updo looks weird, it's a bun with half of it sticking out. Oh no, I think I liked it the way it was. It's not the same, but whatever. Oh gosh. I'm already screen recording my screen, so go ahead and open pinterest.com and I'll show you guys everything over here. And I went ahead and made like I've made like multiple little things since I started doing Pinterest with the whole vision board idea. So you can make like a board basically with different pins and you can name it something. So I named mine vision board. I have two other ones called Motivational Quotes and Workouts as well, but we're gonna focus on the vision board one. And if you guys want to see my other ones, let me know. So basically what I did was I went on Pinterest and I looked random things up like in the little search bar. So I looked up like, yeah, so basically I looked up like motivational quotes. I think I even looked up like study aesthetic, and basically like any photo you like, you just click on it, go ahead and save it, and you could decide where you want to save it under. Save it under your little vision board, and you just do that with photos you like. I was just showing you guys an example here. I'm not really super into this photo that I just did that with. Like this one's kind of cute. I would save this one. Save it under vision board. I think I even looked up like YouTuber because I wanted like to put YouTube stuff in here. I think I saved like photos of cameras. I saved photos of like studying, like medical students and stuff like that, like because I'm just trying to, you know, have it related to my life. Yeah, it's supposed to like encourage you. So I saved a bunch of like quotes. I saved like a photo of like this New York City apartment. I don't think that's gonna happen this year, but I feel like someday I would love to live in like New York City in one of those apartments where you can kind of oversee the city. I don't know where else. Honestly, I'm not really picky about where I live. Some of the quotes that I saved, like motivational quotes. Here's one. It says, "You will never always be motivated, so you must learn to be disciplined." This is so true. I put a photo here of someone skydiving. At first when I was making my board, I didn't want photos of random people in it, but then I was like, you know what? I don't care. And I also have a photo of like a 10K like balloons here because I'm hoping to hit 10K by the end of this year. I don't think it'll actually happen, but if we just cross our fingers and say we're gonna hit 10K, you know, maybe it'll happen. You know, maybe. Basically, I saved like the photo of film camera. I just looked up like film camera or whatever. I saw this photo come up of these three girls. I just thought it was super cute, so I saved it because I need to be more social, and so recently I have been doing that. But you know, I just thought it was cute, so I saved that. Also, I looked up like brunch, and I saved a bunch of these like little brunch photos because it just looks so cute. I want that on my vision board. I want to do brunch. I want to have friends. I want to study. I want to get my YouTube together and motivate myself. Also continue my little medical, you know, situation. Don't really know what to call it because I don't really know what's going on. I just applied to nursing school the other day. I don't think I'm getting in, but it's really competitive, so I might have to apply to a different one. So I saved like this photo of the stethoscope. I really just thought it was a cute photo. Loved her outfit, loved her coat, loved the stethoscope. Her nails were done. Cute, loved it. Saved. Someone like looking at their watch. I don't know why, it just felt very businessy to me, and I really need to get my business-ish together. There's a photo of money. I thought that would be funny to throw in there. Might as well manifest it, right guys? And then there's like a thing that says hustle. I know a lot of people like hate like the whole hustle culture now, but I'm just trying to get things done that I want to do and, you know, try to push towards my goals. I know hustle culture is dying, but I don't know. Like I feel like I can't just sit here like, if I just sit here, nothing's gonna happen. There are a lot of people that get lucky and they don't have to do like this whole hustling. A lot of us, we have to work smarter, not harder, but work smart and to get where we want to be. So sometimes it does require you doing a little bit rather than getting lucky. And when you click on one photo, there's like multiple other ones that show up similar to it. Just saving whatever I really like. This one is super random too. It's just some girl walking down New York City streets and she's carrying a pizza. Maybe I want that for myself. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Canva, like I told you guys, where I make my thumbnails often. You guys can see like I have like my media kit, random stuff that I saved, but you can literally look up anything. I just don't know what size the MacBook wallpaper is, so I looked up MacBook wallpaper. I don't need to keep her stuff here, I can just hit delete. And we can start dropping our photos in, so we just need to download photos from here that we liked, save to downloads. Okay, one of these photos, it won't let me save, so I'm just gonna grab this other one that I think looks really, really cool. Ooh, I like this one too. This is Hong Kong. Okay, I'm getting distracted, so it feels kind of tedious to do, but I don't want this camera one because I actually have this camera. I'm filming it on it right now. So now I'm gonna go back to Canva and I'm gonna pull up like my downloads. Basically everything that I downloaded, I want to go ahead and drop into Canva. Just start cropping and making them the size you want. Yeah, I think this is how a lot of people are doing this. Maybe there are people who are doing it differently, but this is how I'm gonna do it. And if you want to like brighten or adjust certain ones, you just go to adjust and you can kind of like brighten it. And I'm just putting them like very random. If you want it to be super equal and stuff, you can make little like a grid and make it like very even. Yeah, I don't want to make it very super even. I like it very random and like looking like it's on top of itself, I guess. And I'm gonna crop this one, so you can go here to crop. And if you want to center things, you can just move it around like slowly and Canva will help you align it. My laptop is like burning my leg, it's so hot. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna put another quote. I think I'm just gonna leave the one and we'll kind of go off of that one, I guess. Who is it?
What's up? What do you want?
She just comes to the door whenever someone comes to the door.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? Is it the dog?
That was me brother. Okay, so I'm almost done here. Basically, this is really tedious. I'm gonna finish cropping everything and then I'll come back. Okay, sun basically is setting now and I'm done. It took me a while, but I have finished at last and I think it looks so cute. I don't know. You guys will see it right here, and if you guys want, I can upload like a download for you guys. I don't know if you guys want a download, but I can upload it if you want. And I'll also, let me unprivate, like, okay, I don't know how to do it, but if you guys know how to do it, where you can like unprivate your board, or like not make it a secret board, whatever that is, let me know. I'm really excited, so I'm gonna download it. It's a little fuzzy. I might go back and like sharpen it. I think this is really cute. It was a success. And yeah, if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up and let me know what you guys want to see next time. And yeah, I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you so, so much.